In this video, I will show you exactly how to cancel your RingCentral account or subscription. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website service.ringcentral.com and sign in with your admin account. Only admins can cancel the entire account or subscription. RingCentral does not allow self-cancellation online. To cancel, you'll need to get in touch with their support team. You can do this by starting a live chat from the dashboard, calling RingCentral customer support, or submitting a help ticket directly. Let them know you want to close your account. Support will ask you to confirm some details like your admin username or login, business name, possibly your billing information. This step is to confirm you are authorized to make changes. Once everything is verified, the representative will process your request and tell you the date your account will officially close. Make sure to request a confirmation email for your records. If you don't want to fully cancel, you can lower your subscription costs by removing users, turning off add-ons, or switching to a smaller plan. Head to Billing, Users, then Edit Plan to make these changes. And that's how to cancel your RingCentral account easily and correctly. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.